Now division is completed. Once the division is completed, then we have to go for train and test split. So we have taken reviews data set. We have done all pre-processing steps on the review data set. Then what we have done here? So once the pre-processing steps are done, then we have applied counter vectorization, or you can call it as tokenization. If the max features is equal to 2000. Then now we have split it into X and Y reviews, whether it's a positive review or negative review. These two parts we have done. So review all text information we send to X, and in Y we have the positive or negative. Then that will be divided in terms of train and test split. As of now, in all the machine learning models, we have taken this step where the test size is 20 or 0.2. The complete data set we are going to divide into train and test. As we have two different partitions, X and Y, so X data will be divided in terms of X underscore train and X underscore test, whereas Y data is also divided in terms of Y underscore train and Y underscore test. Then now whatever the division we made and whatever the data we have, data is there in our hand. Now the data we are sending to ANN layers. So here we are taking ANN model, artificial neural network model. So to do that, we know what packages we require here to input. Sequential, we all know. So we are approaching sequential model. One after the other layer we want to create and we want to execute. Dense layer means, so as you have many inputs, many hidden layer neurons and many output, like many hidden layers to many like single output or many outputs, the connections will become dense. So all layers, interaction and connectivities will become your dense. So you may call it as input dense. Then I am using model sequential. And now creating the dense layers. See, initially we have started hidden input neurons. 1565 activation is 0. Then I have 3000. 3000 is my hidden layer. This is the input layer. This is what your hidden layer. And this becomes your output layer. The only representation by seeing the statement itself, you need to understand whether it's a input layer or output layer or hidden layer. Means, see, the two layers we have ReLU function. But in the output layer, you have sigmoid function. Mostly in output layer, we use this sigmoid functions. Then optimizer, you are applying or Adam optimizers. Last, you are calculating binary cross entropy. And metrics here to decide which matrix is so see, matrix you are taking here is accuracy. Now you are fitting your X train and Y train with the epochs of 10. 10 epochs I am taking here, and to train the model to fit the model. Using X-ray and Y-ray, you are going to train the model. Okay, start doing this. Complete this much. So due to some technical issue now, like when I started my session, after 40 minutes, this will close. So again, I'll restart the session. You need to join. Okay. You need to rejoin. Completed or not? If it is done, then I'll go to the next step. Is it completed? Shall I go to the next? Can anyone reply? Okay. So what accuracy you people received? See, I received 99.62. After my 10th epoch, on different like the batch size is 25, yes? The batch size is 25, 10 epochs we have taken. So we have trained in all the ways. Finally, the accuracy of the model which we received is 99.62. Actually, this is a good accuracy what we received. Okay. So let me know what is your accuracy. You received the same accuracy or the like a better one, or what exactly you received? Can anyone share your accuracy? Same, what I asked you, I asked you what accuracy you received. Here I received 0.9962. What does it mean? 99.62 percentage I received. Okay. Now we are going to save the model. So this is the syntax to save the model. Model dot save restaurant dot h5. Model dot save restaurant dot h5. Now the complete model along with the weights, model, like everything you are going to save, your trained values, all these things will be saved in terms of restaurant.h5. This is what extension you cannot open. If you are going to download it also, you cannot open. See here I got this restaurant.h5. If I want to download, I can download like this. Now I want to test the model. How I am going to test the model? See, I am going to give a text call. I hate the food. It was very bad. This is the text I have given. Now I want to see whether it's a positive feedback or negative feedback. It is a positive feedback or it is a negative feedback. So now what I am checking? I am removing except these letters. Whatever I found in the text, I want to remove it. Next, text dot lower. Text dot lower. Now the entire text I want to convert to lowercase. Then what we are doing, now you are splitting your text. The complete sentence you want to split to words. So splitting your like your text you want to split, you are splitting. Then you are stemming the word. Then you are stemming the words. Like you want to have the original root word here, whatever the like here if you found. Like anyway, in our sense we have like in our text we have directly hate, hated, hates, like that. Any words are there means it will be stemmed out. At the same time, if I have any stop words also will be removed. And once the stop words are removed and the root words are attached, again, whatever the split you have made into separate words, right? Now you are combining to a sentence. Now again you will be getting a sentence. Okay, all feature like you are performing your feature pre-processing steps on the input text which you have given to test the model. Then what you are doing? As per our earlier criteria, whatever we have taken here, your prediction, if it is greater than 0.5, then it is negative. Otherwise, it is positive. Or else greater than 5, like some agenda will be there. Accordingly, you are going to like whatever the prediction you want to make, you are transform the entire things into y underscore prediction 1. And this prediction 1 you are comparing whether the value is 0.5, less than 0.5 or greater than 0.5. Okay. Then it is a greater than 0.5, it is showing false. It is not greater than 0.5. So if it is not if it is less than greater than 5 or greater than 0.5 means it is a positive data. If it is if it is greater than 0.5, it's positive data. If it is less than 0.5, it is negative data. So as per this information, so when you checked whether you received less than 0.5 or greater than 0.5, because when you have gone for counter vectorization, it will convert the data, it will fit the data into certain, like it will fit and transform the data to certain range. And after transforming the data, whatever the value you are going to receive there, that value will be cross-checked with the 0.5. If it is greater than that, then it is a positive or negative that will be decided. So it is showing that it is not greater than 0.5. Means it is negative data. And the text you are going to have, sorry, your array is false. And the text after stemming all and removing all your stop words, this is the text you are going to give to your model. So I hate the food, it was very bad. Hate food to bad. These are two negative words based on which it will treat that it is a negative review. Okay. I'll show you. Complete this. It is less than 1 minute we have, Amma. So again, I request you all to rejoin the session once it is closed. So some technical issue here.